Hi everyone. Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into the KuCoin Referral code and how you can maximize your rewards using the code r83QNF1. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this code to earn some fantastic bonuses. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what a KuCoin Referral code is. A KuCoin Referral code is a special code that you can use when you sign up for an account on KuCoin Exchange. It gives you access to exclusive bonuses like sign-up rewards and trading fee discounts. Essentially, it's a way for KuCoin to reward both new and existing users. But why should you use a referral code like r83QNF1? Well, the benefits are pretty significant. For starters, using the referral code r83QNF1 when you sign up can unlock exclusive bonuses that you wouldn't get otherwise. These can include bonuses for signing up, making deposits, and even for your trading activity. Let's break it down step by step on how you can use the KuCoin referral code r83QNF1. Step 1. Go to the KuCoin Exchange website and click on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Fill in your details like your email address and create a strong password. Step 3. Look for the referral code field in the sign-up form. This is where you enter the referral code r83QNF1. Step 4. Complete the sign-up process by verifying your email. Once you've signed up, you'll need to complete the KYC verification process. This is a crucial step to unlock your bonuses. Just upload the required documents and wait for the verification to complete. Now, here are some tips to maximize your benefits with the KuCoin referral code r83QNF1. Tip 1. Share your referral code with friends. Every time someone signs up using your code, you earn rewards. Tip 2. Keep an eye on KuCoin promotions. Sometimes they offer additional bonuses for using referral codes. Of course, sometimes you might run into issues. Here are some common problems and their solutions. Problem 1. Didn't receive the sign-up bonus. Make sure you completed the KYC process. Problem 2. Referral code not working. Double-check the code and ensure there are no typos. If issues persist, contact KuCoin support for help. To wrap things up, using the KuCoin referral code r83QNF1 is a simple yet effective way to get the most out of your crypto trading experience. Not only do you get fantastic bonuses, but you also have the opportunity to save on trading fees and earn rewards by inviting others. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and guides. Also, share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used a KuCoin referral code before? What bonuses did you get? We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy trading with KuCoin, and don't forget to use the referral code r83QNF1.